Aren't you coming? Yes. No. Am I coming or not? Aren't you hungry? No. Yes. I'm hungry. I'm confused. Today we'll study negative questions and answers to them. Hey, what's up? And welcome to English Mania. Today we'll study negative questions. Why do they exist? How to answer them? And how to create them? What are the rules? Let's find out right now. First of all, you should remember that the word order in contracted negative questions is different from the word order in usual negative questions. Aren't you coming? You see, not is together with the auxiliary verb are. Aren't, are not, right? But in a usual question, you are supposed to ask, are you not coming? Not is not after the auxiliary verb, but it goes after the subject. Are you not coming? But aren't you coming? Doesn't he understand? But does he not understand? Now, how to answer these questions? Suppose you were asked, aren't you coming? What should you say? No, I am coming. Or yes, I'm not coming. Yes, I'm coming. Wow, it's confusing. To avoid this confusion, give more context, give more information. Don't just say yes or no, but extend your idea, and there won't be any problem. You'll be understood correctly. So, aren't you coming? Yes, I'm coming. Wait for me. Aren't you coming? No, I'm too tired. I'm staying at home. Aren't you hungry? No, I'm not. I'm full. I can't eat anything else. Don't you like music? Yes, I do. I love music. Don't you? Can't you swim? No, I can't. Yes, I can. Usually, if you say the negative answer, you give the negative extension. So to say, no, I don't. No, I'm not. No, I can't. If you say yes, usually you give a positive answer. Can't you swim? Yes, I can. Aren't you hungry? Yes, I am. Doesn't he understand? Yes, he does. He does understand. See? Positive, positive, negative, negative. But to avoid the confusion, if you're not sure, just give more information and you'll be understood. Now, why do people ask negative questions? Usually, people do that when they want to get confirmation of what they think is true. Didn't you see Anne yesterday? How is she doing? So, I'm pretty sure that you did see Anne yesterday. So I need your confirmation. Didn't you see Anne yesterday? Yes, I did. Negative questions are also used to express your opinion in a polite way. Wouldn't it be nicer to paint this wall green? Instead of, it would be nice to paint this wall green. If you say, wouldn't it be nicer, you sound politer. Negative questions are also used to ask for confirmation of a negative belief. Hasn't the postman come yet? Wow, here usually you're surprised. Don't you like pizza? Wow. I thought everyone liked pizza. We could also use negative questions for polite requests, offers, or complaints. Wouldn't you like something to drink? I'm offering you. Wouldn't you like something to drink? Tea, coffee, something stronger? Why don't you come and spend the evening with us? Why don't you come? Why don't you join us? Okay, that's it about negative questions. If you have any questions, negative or positive, write a comment. Make sure to write, let's say, 3 examples of negative questions and answers to them in the comments. Can you do that? Please? Practice. Practice makes perfect. I hope that you enjoyed watching this class. If you did, do not forget to like this video. It will mean the world to me. So please press the button, like, share, and subscribe if you want to continue studying English with me. And I hope to see you soon. Happy English and Russian practice. Bye!